Good morning, my dear friend. It is for the 10th standard, 10th standard new students. The lesson is the little hero of Holland. The little hero of Holland. Little hero of Holland means the Peter. The name of the little, who is the little hero? Peter. P-E-T-E-R. Peter is the little hero. Peter is the name of a boy. Who is called as little hero of Holland. Why does why is he called as the hero of Holland? Why is he called as the little hero of Holland? Who is the little hero of the Holland? Peter is the little hero. Little means small boy. He was a small boy. But he, with his brave heart, he did an achievement. So he was named as the little hero of Holland. Can you know what I am saying? Peter, the boy, the small boy, Peter was called as the little hero of Holland. Why did people call him the little hero of Holland? Because he just did a heroic act of saving the people of Holland. What is the heroic act he did to save the people? Peter just lived in Holland, a small boy, and one day his mother asked him to take sweet to his blind friend in somewhere else, and his mother asked him to give this sweet to a blind friend. In this way, she just sent Peter to the house of the blind boy. It was afternoon. Peter was then, before he just started from home, his mother advised him, don't be late. You should be here before dark. In this way, she advised and sending. Then it was raining season. He was just running towards his friend's house and gave the sweet to the boy. And it was becoming dark. So he hurriedly just returned home, walking along the dike. Holland was a low land from the sea level. Sea is higher than the Holland land. Holland is lower than the sea. So, if any small hole or flood happened means it would destroy Holland and the people of Holland. Then when Peter was walking along the dike, it was becoming little dark. He heard the tingling, the sound of water leaking from the dike. He just stopped there and just to listen what was happening. Then he found a leak was there. If he just left without doing anything, without leaking means it would make great disaster, great danger to the people of Holland and the country. So he just got down from the dike and thrust his finger into the hole to stop the water, and he was clinging. CLINGIN, clinging to dike. And he shouted and screaming for help, but no one heard his sound, and no one did not come to save him. He was shouting and clinging, thrusting his finger in the hole, keeping his finger inside the hole. He was there, shouting. He became stiff, stiff means because of severe cold, he became very weak. He became stiff. Then the whole night he was there. When it was daytime, early morning, a man who was going for his work just heard the sound of Peter, help, help, help. So he stopped and listened. There is a boy clinging, keeping his finger, I mean the thrusting his finger inside the hole. A boy was clinging from the wall. He just called on, he shouted and he called another people. All people come with the shovel and just close the hole and stop the leaking. Then they saved the boy and lifted him on their shoulder and took him to his mother. And they just shouted the cure of Karan, the cure of Karan. In this way they shouted and praised the small Peter. On that day onward, he was called as the cure of Karan. Can you understand what is the story? Who is the cure of Karan? Peter, the boy Peter was the cure of Karan. Why was he called as the cure of Karan? Because in spite of his smallness, though he was very small, he just saved Karan and the people from the flood destroying them. From the flood destroying them. Because the Karan is the lowland from the sea level. It is lower than the sea level. Sea is in the upper portion. Sea is in the upper portion. Karan is the lower portion. If any there is a big dike in there. Dike means dam. Anakat is there. Dike is there to keep the water coming inside the country. They just prevent the water and stop the water after the dike. Passing they built a great wall between the sea and Karan. Because of the wall, the water couldn't come inside the country in this way. One day Peter was taking some sweet to his blind friend. His mother sent him and advised him that come before dark in this way. He was thoroughly walking towards his friend's house and he gave him the sweet and returned back very quickly along the dike. When he was coming, he just heard the tickling, leaking sound of the water. He closely listened. At that time, he came to know that a leak was there. He did not want to go without stopping the leak, because if he just when without stopping the leak means in the daytime we couldn't see Karan. Whole Karan would be destroyed by the flood of water. So he just got down from the dike and thrust his finger inside the hole and clinging on the wall of the dike. Thus he stopped the water. At the same time, he felt bitter cold and it was so difficult. He shouted and shouted, screamed for help, but no one carried his sound, so no one come for help. Then the whole way he was there. He became very stiff because of severe cold. Then when it was daybreak, a man on his way to work just heard the sound of Peter. Then he just saw down. There Peter was clinging, shouting, help, help, help. Then he just shouted and called other people for his help to save Peter. Then the people came with many weapons and closed stop the leak. Thus the Karan was saved because of the heroic and brave mind of the boy called Peter. Then the people just took the boy on their shoulder shoulder and took them to his mother. Then they shouted that the cure of God. All people just praised Peter for his brave God. Though he was small, he did some brave act to save the people and colony. Can you understand? Okay. The next. Some important. What are the little children of Karan aware of? What are the little children of Karan aware of? But what lesson did the people teach the little children of the Karan? காலந்த நாட்டு மக்கள் அந்த நாட்டு சின்ன பிள்ளைகள் என்ன சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? The little children of Karan aware means they know the dike must be watched every moment. ஒவ்வொரு டைமில் டேக் நம்ம கவனிக்கணும். And that even a small hole can be very dangerous. சின்ன hole, if it is a small hole appear, it becomes very dangerous and it destroys the country. What was the work assigned to Peter's father? What work did Peter's father do? The work assigned to Peter's father was tending the sluice, opening and closing the gates. It is a slippery gates. It just slips opening and closing. When ship entered the sea from Karan, if seas come, automatically it slips and open and close. What did Peter spending time with his blind friend? Peter spending his time with his blind friend. Peter stayed with the poor blind man a little while to tell him about his walk along the dike and about the sun and the flowers and the ship far out at sea. Peter stayed with the poor blind boy a little while. So, to tell him about his walk along the dike. Then he told the boy that I would like to walk along the dike and about the sun. Then it was somewhat sunny season and the full flowers are there on his way and the ship far out at sea. Then the far away he could see she can see a ship is coming. What did Peter see when he stopped near the dikes? What did Peter see when he stopped near the dikes? When Peter stopped near the dikes, he noticed that there was a sound of trickling water. What about trickling? Leaking water. The sound of trickling water, leaking water. And saw a small hole in the dike. What did Peter saw in the dike? A small hole through which water is blowing. Count Peter spending his night at the dike. Peter spending his night at the dikes. Because when it is evening, he just watched the trickling of the water from the dike. He just thrusting his arm there and clinging on the wall. So he carried to spend the whole night clinging on the wall. Holding his finger in the hole on the dike, Peter clinging from the wall. He rubbed his hand and thought he would manage to stay throughout the night. Though no one came to his rescue until morning. He was there, no one did not come to save him, rescue him. Who found Peter in the dikes and what did he do? யார் பீட்டரை பார்த்தது அவன் என்ன செய்தான்? A man who went to his work. Work. Heard Peter moaning, M-O-A-N-I-N-G. What is it? mourning, murmuring with sad, mourning, and pounding, clinging. What is mean clinging? CLINGING, to the side of the great wall. That's all. What do you know about this lesson? This lesson is about what do you know about this lesson? This lesson is about the brave cart of the boy called Peter, who saved the people of Calm on the country from the flood. Because I already told that Calm is the lower land from the sea. If a small hole appear means it would destroy the whole country. And to the people of the country were taught each and every moment about watching the dike very clearly in this way. Peter also was taught. When Peter just returned back from his friend home, when he was walking on the dike, he just heard the sound of the water leaking. He just stood there or stopped there and got down in the dike and thrusting his finger inside the coal to keep the water coming out. Thus, because of his brave act, he just saved Karan from the great disaster. So, the people of Karan just celebrating him or just praising him that Peter was the hero, the little hero of Karan, because he was little, because he was very small. So he was called as little hero of Karan. That's our boys. Study very well. Thank you very much.